Just a regular day in a regular Minecraft world. Wait, what is this? What is this? Why is there 2 lamps here? And what is this button? Oh, what? How did you do that? How did you do that? How did you do that? There's nothing. There is absolutely nothing down here. What? There's absolutely nothing. Nothing whatsoever. What? What? Alright, so you're probably wondering, how is it doing this? How is that happening? Well, it's all with some command blocks. This video was recommended to me by a few of the people that watched my videos. They wanted me to do a command block video, so I just decided to do a wireless button tutorial. So this is these are the commands. It looks complicated, but it really isn't. Alright, so as you can see, redstone torches appear at the bottom, and they activate the redstone lamps whenever you press the button. I will now go through the command blocks and we will see how they work. So the first thing it's doing is it is testing for a block where the button is. So these coordinates are where the button is. So if I just quickly go right here real quick, you can see that on the top, that is the coordinates that are in the command blocks. And I put these coordinates in here, and then a warped button 10. Warp button is the name of the button that we are pressing, warped button. And then the 10 is if it is powered. So yes, there are different ways to detect if a button is pressed or not. So let me just quickly give you a few examples. So if I just go right here real quick and create a little area, we can do /setblock. Where we are right now, the tilde is where we are right now, and then warped button. So let's just do that. So as you can see, it just disappeared because it was on the ceiling. If I do 1, it places it on the floor. If I do 2, it places it on this block. And if I do 3, it places it on the block over here. 4, and then 5. And I think 6 places it on the roof. Yeah. 6 places it on the roof, and it's just gonna stay there for a while now. But if you wanted to actually do powered stuff, then you would do the 7, one of them. Here, let me just put this back. I think 7 is one of them. 7 is probably the top powered button or something. Probably not. That one didn't do. Okay, so yeah, here it is in all its glory, the pressed button. So 9 is a pressed button on the floor, and then if we do 10 is a pressed button on a wall, which is what is right here. It's detecting if it's pressed right here. It's detecting this state of the block, and then you can just experiment with this, see which angle is the correct angle for your command block contraption or whatever. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So you're probably wondering, well, that you're just doing setblock, but how do you actually test for it? So it's just testforblock and then warped button 10. That's all it is. Let me just give you a little long look at the command block. That way you can, all these commands will be in the description, by the way. So if you want to use these in your world, then yeah, you can use it in your world. These two are setting the block redstone torch. So this one right here is setting the redstone torch right here, because the coordinates right here go for the block right here, and then just redstone torch. Then this one, it does the same thing, but it places a redstone torch right here. And then this is filling from, okay, so this is filling from here to here, air, but it's only breaking the redstone torch. It's only replacing the redstone torch. So only fill air in the place where the redstone torch is if it is in right here, 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 or here. So yeah, that's what those command blocks do. And also, if you want to know what this block is, it is the structure void. Structure void. Structure void. So this comparator is detecting if this is successful in testing for the block, and it is set to repeat, always active, so it is always testing if it is going to be pressed. So let's say I press it. If I press it, it takes a redstone output through the comparator into the block, it powers the block, and it powers this one, this command block, and this command block, which are set to needs redstone and repeat unconditional. And the same one goes for here, repeat unconditional needs redstone. And then redstone torch is right here, and the redstone torch is always on until it takes an output and puts it into the comparator, and then puts it into the block, which will turn the redstone torch off, which will make this turn off as well. That way that it doesn't fill the blocks, it doesn't fill the redstone torches with air. So let's say I put this on always active. It was repeat unconditional needs redstone, but I put it on always active. Oh, and yeah, delay and ticks 1. I put that so that way it's smooth. I will talk about that in a second. But if I were to set it on always active and I press the button, nothing would happen, because the redstone torches are being placed, but this is always active, so it's always filling the redstone torches with air, so they don't get time to be powered. So maybe if I put it on needs redstone, I don't know, it would work. Yay. If you want it, so I put it on delay and ticks 1, because if I put it to 0, it does some sort of weird, this one activates first and this one activates next. I think you can see that. I don't know if you can, but yeah, I just put it on 1, that way they activate at the same time, and it looks better. So yeah, that is that. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do more things, then do more stuff with command blocks, then I would gladly do so. So just please tell me in the comments below if you need any help with like some sort of redstone. I'll make a video about it, and I'll see you all in the next video. So goodbye.